Let's take a look at what a contact record looks like. If I'm on the home page of Salesforce Classic, I can click Contacts, and that will give me a list of some of the recent contacts. I can see I have Matthew Abrams, I have Liz DeCruz, James Ashley here, or Ashley James, excuse me. What I'm going to do is actually click on Ashley James and take a look at Ashley James's contact record in Salesforce. Now, as I've mentioned, this may look different to you because of the different version that you have, or the way in which your organization has customized Salesforce. What I'm going to do is just talk through the important fields that you have right here. So this is where you can really begin to think through what a contact record might look like in your organization. So this is what Salesforce provides. It provides the name, the contact owner, the title, which if we see a blue field, we can actually highlight and change. Double click this and we can see the birthday is 1943. Let's say I forgot that and it's actually 1944. I could even put that in right here. I would change it. It would become orange and then I would just quickly save it. Right? I can also begin to think through the description that I give to Ashley James, in the sense that I could talk through about possible interactions that I've had with Ashley, and this would help me sort of develop my relationship. Remember, this is all about customer relationship management, right? So as you've taken a look at these fields at the top here, you could also hover over and see that we have a case that's been closed by Pasla. So let's take a look. If I click this case, a case is essentially where one of our customers has submitted a case based around what their product, right? So for example, mechanical maintenance guidelines for generator misleading, right? So that gives us feedback from our customers and helps us meet their needs. We could also see some activities, activity history, campaign history, and we can log a call with them or send an email. We can also set up a meeting with them or a new task. And if Ashley James is interested in purchasing a product, we can actually open up a new opportunity. And what we can do, and why it's important to understand this record, is because we're also able to connect certain actions to them. So we can log a case, we can log a call, we can run a poll with them, we can even add a note about them or schedule an event with them. And each of these things in the contact object, each of these fields are also fields that we need to look for when we're running a report. And the reason why we do that is because it helps us look at not just Ashley James, but records similar to her, where we're able to see patterns across the organization. For example, you may want to know how many contacts you have that are in finance. So you could run a report using the department field to summarize or to extract the total number of finance-related contacts. So that's why it's important to know the record, the contact record, and the fields in that record.